Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am sharing a productive afternoon getting stuff done. As you can see, I'm in my closet. So we're starting there. I'm organizing my clothes for the fall. I could not wait to get this done because I have new pieces in with my spring clothes and summer clothes, and it was just like half of my stuff that I was wearing is in one section and half of it's in the other, and I just wanted to walk in my closet and have it all neat and organized. You may know how I organize my closet from previous videos, but I will be sharing some tips. So the way that I do it is I put every piece of clothing for the current season straight ahead, and I don't take anything out of my closet and pack it up. I really do not like doing that. It seems like such an enormous amount of work to pack it all up, put it somewhere else, and then get it all out and it's all wrinkled. But do whatever works for you. I know a lot of people do that. I just don't like to do that. So I organize my clothing by color. So everything is going to be for the fall, and then it will be from light to dark. I have all of my tops on the top and all of my bottoms on the bottom. Also with my wardrobe, I have found that an intentional wardrobe works really well for me. I've talked about this in other videos, but I tried a capsule wardrobe and I just didn't like limiting myself. However, I used to years ago just buy random things, put them in my closet, and not really wear them, although they were cute and I liked them. I just didn't have anything to wear them with. So now I'm very intentional about what I purchase. I know my style, which is classy, feminine, and I know that even if I find something in the store, which happened recently, and I really like it, if I don't have anything to wear it with, or it's not really my style, it's just going to be a waste of money. So I'm very intentional about what I purchase. I make note of the things that I need. So when I go through my closet, say I notice my black dress pants are looking a little shabby, I will have that on a list so that next time I go shopping, or when I have the money or the time, I can purchase new black pants. Or I need some more sweaters, or I need some long sleeve tops, or I need a pair of black booties, whatever it might be. I just make a note, and that way I'm not wasting money on things that are going to go in my closet and look really cute hanging up, but they're never going to be worn by me. So that's just how I do my wardrobe. This is also when I will make sure I like everything in my closet. So as I transition to the next season, I will look through and make sure I want to keep each piece of clothing in my closet so that when spring and summer roll around again, I don't have a bunch of worn out clothes, things that I do not like, or things that are out of style or don't fit. So I will take those and donate them. Over here on the other side of my closet, I have a few pieces that I need to iron, and then I have my dresses, longer cardigans, dusters, robes, and things of that nature. My bathroom is connected to my closet, so I just hang my robes right here. And I am going to go through my shoes. So I did have all of my fall and winter shoes and boots on the top of my closet. I took all of those down, and I am going to put some of my lighter colored shoes that were for spring and summer only, and sandals and things, up on that shelf so that they're out of the way, but it will be really easy to transition when spring rolls around again. I like to organize my shoes from light to dark as well. It just helps me to easily find everything, and also it's pleasing to the eye. I will link the shoe organizers that I have. I get asked about these things all the time. I'll try to find anything that I think you might be interested in and link it below that I show in my closet. This is also a really great time to get rid of shoes that are really worn out or maybe out of style. I had to get rid of a couple pair of sandals that I still actually liked, but they were just really worn out. I had worn them so many times, and it's just time to let those go. Now I'm going to iron those few pieces of clothing that I took out that were looking a little wrinkly. I do my ironing different. Sometimes I iron before I'm going to wear something if it needs to be ironed, and sometimes I iron everything. That way when I go in my closet, everything's ironed and I can just select what I want to wear and I don't have to worry about ironing it, which is really nice. But every time I do laundry, then I have to iron, and I really don't like ironing, but I do think it's important to look nice and have all of your clothing wrinkle-free. So I do it, but I just do it different ways. Tell me how you iron. Do you iron all of your clothing after you do laundry, or do you have a day that you iron everything, or do you just wait until you're going to wear a piece of clothing and iron it then? I don't think there's a right answer. I think it is just whatever works for you, as long as you look neat and pulled together, right? Some of these are new pieces and they still have the tags on. I do not remove tags until I finally wear something, and that way if I put it on and I decide, it doesn't quite look as good as I thought it did, I can return it. So that's why I'm ironing with the tag still on. I did try everything on though, and I really like it. I just really want to have that option to return it just in case. I wanted to quickly show you how I have my closet organized. So when you walk in to the left, I have all of my spring and summer clothing. Like I mentioned, I don't like to take it out, so I just put it off to the side. And I have a small dresser, but it's just big enough for my bras and panties, so I hang everything else up. This just works well for me. So here I have my pajamas. I actually have more, but some of them are in the laundry, and I hang those above that small dresser. Next to my pajamas, I have all of my workout clothes, so my tanks and then my sports bras. Yes, I hang those up. It just works well with the way that my closet is designed, and I like to have everything together. I have all of my workout hats on the shelf and then the bottoms below. Straight ahead in my closet, I have all of my fall clothing, and like I mentioned, that is arranged light to dark. I love having everything for the current season together. It just makes getting dressed very simple, and it's also visually pleasing. So on the other side of my closet, on the top shelf, I have all of my spring and summer shoes that I won't be wearing for a little while. I have all of my dresses and long cardigans and dusters. And then below that, I have my current season shoes. So this is just how I have to organize them with the way that my closet is set up, but it works really well for me. And those red ones with the puffy ball, those are actually slippers. I just put those over there. And then I have some shelves for my handbags, jewelry, nail polish, and I like to hang my necklaces and hats on the wall. So this just works really well. I think it looks nice and it's easy to find everything. All right, now I am going to take some of the clothing and some other things to donate. I have been doing some decorating, so I had to get rid of some things, and you'll be seeing what I've done in future videos. I can't wait to show you. I also went to pick up my groceries from Kroger, and I thought I would quickly show you all of my groceries. I'm not going to call off every single thing, but you can see everything that I bought in case you're interested. I know I still get requests for grocery hauls. So here is one within this video, and you'll notice I don't have any meat. We really like to get our meat from Butcher Box. I've talked about them lots of times, and this video is not sponsored, but if you would like to check them out, I do have a link, and I believe you get $20 off your first box and free salmon and free sirloin steaks. The offer for free meat changes every month, so if you want to check it out, you can. They have organic chicken, grass-fed and grass-finished beef, and heritage breed pork, and you can order whatever you like and it comes right to your door. It's really great quality. So again, I'll link that below and you can check out the rest of my grocery haul. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope it motivated you to get some things done around your home and have a productive afternoon.